are pleased to show you the 2016 Chevrolet Colorado. Great hauling capability, powerful, rugged, and a great Chevy price, Colorado is it. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear view mirror, fog lights, power windows, trip computer, compass, heated front driver and passenger seats, electronic stability control, security system, Sirius satellite radio, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, tachometer, overhead console. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.